Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing a strategy that can help you earn a small amount of money with minimal effort. Please pay attention to the details that I'll be presenting and kindly avoid rewinding. Let me introduce a simple way to acquire a small quantity of cryptocurrency, which has been validated by one of the co-founders of the Ethereum project through personal experience. By participating in this initiative, you have the chance to earn up to $2,000 worth of cryptocurrency. The Optimism project is a platform that allows you to generate between $100 to $2,000 of net profit without requiring any investment. This initiative has served as a significant starting point for small and large businesses globally, with over $7 million being sponsored for their development. To earn money through an airdrop, which is the crux of this earning opportunity, you can receive a small number of coins. If you are fortunate, you could receive a cryptocurrency worth up to $2,000. To begin, you need to connect your wallet, such as MetaMask, Coinbase, or others, to the website. Keep in mind that the airdrop algorithm analyzes your wallet activity, so you must have an active wallet with history to have a chance to win. If you win successfully, the coin will be credited directly to your wallet, which you can safely retain. In my case, the coin landed directly in my wallet balance after some time. I highly recommend that you do not waste any time and participate in the airdrop while it is still available.